wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to say thank you to our lecturer, Mr. Rahman Faisal, for giving me this opportunity to deliver my speech today. My name is Tasya Delia Agustina. I am third semester student of Communication Science at University Pamulang, and I live in Ciater, South Tangerang. Today, I want to share my personal story, a journey about growth, courage, and how I've learned to step out of my comfort zone. Before I entered university, I studied at a vocational school majoring in electronic engineering. My world back then was full of circuit, cables, and programming. I enjoyed it, but deep inside, I felt like something was missing. I was a quiet person, someone who preferred to stay silent instead of speaking up. I admired people who could express their ideas confidently, but I never saw myself doing the same. Then one day something changed, and it started with a challenge. During my internship program, I was assigned to teach robotics to children from kindergarten to junior high school. At first, I was nervous. I kept asking myself, how can I teach others when I'm not even confident speaking in front of people? But when I meet the children, I saw their smiles, their curiosity, their excitement to learn. They didn't care if I was perfect, they just want to understand and have fun. Slowly, I began to enjoy teaching. I learned to speak clearly, use gesture, and smile while talking. And I realized that confidence begins with courage. After graduating from vocational school, I made a big decision to continue my studies in communication science at University Pamulang. Many people were surprised and asked why I changed from engineering to communication, but I knew my reasons. I want to improve my public speaking and I want to understand people better. At first, I was still shy and afraid to speak in class. But I told myself you can do this, and little by little I started to believe in myself. Now that I am in third semester, I can really see how much I've grown. Through class and discussion and presentation, I learned to express my ideas more clearly and confidently. I also work in the marketing field and it connects perfectly with my major. In marketing, communication isn't just about speaking, it's about listening, understanding, and connecting with people. Every day I learn new things, and those experiences help me grow as a student and as a person. From my journey, I've learned that stepping out of your comfort zone doesn't always mean doing something big. It can be as simple as asking a question or saying your opinion or saying yes to something new. When I look back, I realize how much I've changed. The shy girl who used to avoid attention is now standing here speaking confidently, and I am really proud of that. Of course, the journey hasn't always been easy. I've failed many times, I've made mistakes, and I felt insecure, but I've learned that failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of it. Every failure teaches us something, every challenge makes us stronger. There's a quote I love, comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there. And that quote reminds me to keep moving forward even when it's uncomfortable. Over time, I realized that stepping out of my comfort zone wasn't just about learning to speak, about it was about learning to believe in myself. It was about discovering who I really am, a person who might be quiet but has something meaningful to say. A person who used to hide behind fear but now use that fear as motivation. I began to challenge myself more, joining discussion, trying new opportunities, meeting new people. Each time my confidence grew little by little. And the more I connected with others, the more I understood that communication is not just a skill, it's a bridge that connects hearts. It's the way we share emotion, dreams, and ideas. That's when I found my purpose to grow, to inspire, and to keep learning through connection. Before I close, I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to my family. Thank you for always believing in me, even when I didn't believe in myself. Your support means everything to me. To my friends and classmates, thank you for being part of my journey, for making learning fun, for listening, and for reminding me that I am not alone. To my lecturers and everyone at University Pamulang, thank you for guiding me, inspiring me, and helping me discover my voice. You've taught me that education is not just about knowledge, but about becoming a better human being. And finally, to myself, thank you for not giving up. Thank you for being brave enough to try again, even after failing, for choosing courage over comfort, and for continuing to grow one small step at a time. So, to everyone listening today, remember this, growth begins the moment you step outside your comfort zone. It doesn't have to be a big leap. It can start with something small, asking a question in class, expressing your opinion, or simply believing in yourself. Every great journey starts with one brave step, and one day you look back and realize that the version of yourself who was once afraid has turned into someone strong, confident, and unstoppable. So keep going, keep learning, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Because courage doesn't mean you're never afraid. It means you move forward even when you are. Thank you so much for listening. Have a wonderful day, everyone.